10 foods that will never make you fat. The quest for a healthy and balanced diet is a topic that has garnered widespread attention over the years. While many foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess, there are several that are unlikely to make you fat, provided they are part of a balanced diet. In this video, we will explore 10 foods that have earned a reputation for being weight-friendly options and also backed by scientific evidence. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce are nutrient-dense, low in calories, and high in fiber. They can help you feel full without adding many calories, making them an excellent choice for weight management. 2. Lean proteins. Lean sources of protein like chicken breast, turkey, and tofu are not only essential for muscle growth but also satiating. Protein-rich foods can increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. 3. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber. Their natural sweetness can satisfy your sweet cravings without excessive sugar and calories. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich dairy product that can promote feelings of fullness and help control appetite. It also contains probiotics, which can support gut health. 5. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats. They have a high satiety index, meaning they can help you feel full and reduce calorie intake throughout the day. 6. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are calorie-dense but also very satisfying. Their healthy fats and protein content can help control appetite when consumed in moderation. 7. Oats. Oats are a fiber-rich whole grain that can keep you full for longer periods. They also stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that can lead to overeating. 8. Avocado. Avocado is a source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help control appetite and promote feelings of fullness. It's a great addition to salads or as a spread in place of butter or mayo. 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein source and a whole grain packed with fiber. It can keep you satisfied and provide sustained energy throughout the day. 10. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and support weight management. They're also highly satisfying. In summary, while no single food can guarantee that you'll never gain weight, incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can be part of a healthy and balanced approach to weight management. Remember that portion control and overall calorie intake still play a significant role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. A diverse diet, regular exercise, and mindful eating habits are key components of a successful weight management strategy. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance on your dietary needs and goals. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more healthy lifestyle tips.